Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of Standard 3rd, Subject Maths. So I hope you all have this NCERT practice workbook of mathematics. First chapter where to look from, that means in our textbook chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 is over, but in workbook that is not over. So now let's do symmetry. Draw a dotted line on the shapes to divide them into two similar halves. That means here we have to draw a dotted line on the shapes. That means here we have to draw a dotted line in these shapes and we have to divide into two similar halves. That means we have to divide into two similar parts. See here, first example is already given. Here you can see. The second one, you have to use pencil and you have to use your scale to draw a dotted line. So like this you can draw with the help of pencil and scale. So like this you can divide into two similar parts. So that is your homework. So you have to do this one in your. The next one is mirror image. So complete the shapes by drawing the other half. That means here half is given. You can see here this half part already given. So you have to complete these shapes here by the drawing the other half. That means this half part you have to draw same here. This part you have to draw here, same this part you have to draw here, and this one is here. Here also same you have to do this part, you have to draw same like this. So with the help of pencil and scale, you can complete these shapes by the drawing the other half parts. So this one also your homework. So you have to draw these shapes by the other half and you have to complete this shape in your workbook. Symmetry in real life. Draw a dotted line on the shapes to divide them into two similar halves. Same here also you have to draw a dotted line on these shapes and you have to divide into two similar parts. Like this you can draw. Here also you can draw like this with the help of pencil and scale. So this one also your homework. The next, different views, right side, front, top view for the objects given below. That means here you have to write which view is this. If side view is there, so you have to write side view. Here you can see which view is this, side view. So here write the spelling of side, S-I-D-E-V-I-E-W, side view. Here you can see this second example. Which view is this? So this is the front view of car. So here write the spelling of front, F-R-O-N-T-V-I-E-W. So write here front view in your workbook. Then third one, which view is this? This is the top view of car. So here you can write top view. Then next, which view is this? This one also top view. So here you can write top view. Then this, which view is this? So this is the side view of book. So here you can write the spelling of side view, S-I-D-E-V-I-E-W. Then next, this, which view is this? This is the front view of clock. So here you can write front view. And this, which view is this? So this is the top view. So here you can write top view. So this one also your homework. So you have to write this in your workbook. Chapter number 2, fun with numbers. So comparing numbers, put the correct sign, less than, greater or equal to. But before that I will give some information about the less than, greater than and equal to. So the alligator's mouth always opens towards the larger value so that it can eat as much as possible. If the mouth open to the left side, that means like this, such as 5 and here 4. So we read the statement as a 5 is greater than 4. Then if the mouth open to the right side, that means this side, such as 7 and 10. So we read the statement as 7 less than 10. So this is the greater than sign, this is the less than sign, and equal to. That means if both the numbers are the same, so we have to use the equal to sign. For example, 10 here, 10, then 10. So 10 is equal to 10. So the first one, 545 and 534. Here you can see 545 is greater than 534. 882 and 828. So 882 is greater than 828. 344 and 423. So 344 less than 423. 674 and 676. So 674 less than 676. So like this you can put the correct sign of less than, greater than or equal to. Here you can see 287 and 287. So 287 equal to 287. So this one also your homework.